Okay, done. Once again, please make sure that I am audible clearly. Okay. So let's start. मी सांगितल्याप्रमाणे लास्ट लेक्चरला आपल्याला आपलं जे कन्व्हर्सेशन चालू होतं ते आपण आज कंटिन्यू करणार आहोत. ज्यांचं झालं नाहीये त्यांनी चॅटबॉक्स मध्ये नाव लिहा. लेट्स कंटिन्यू विथ देम. Okay, Antara and one more who will be doing conversation with Antara. Everyone has completed in the previous lecture? No, na? This is to enhance your English speaking skills. Okay, हे तुमचा English speaking skill वाढवण्यासाठी आहे. Okay, Jay and Antara. Put on your mic.
Yes, teacher.
Start. Antara, start.
Ma'am.
Screen visible आहे ना? Screen दिसते ना माझी? Yes, let's start. Okay, Jay.
Yes,
Jay,
ma'am.
you want to say this conversation na?
Yes.
Who will there with Jay, Aniket or Dheeraj? नाव लिहा चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये. Dheeraj. Okay. Dheeraj and Jay, put on your mic.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, start Dheeraj.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Can you tell me how many hours will it take to reach Nagpur from here?
That will be 5 hours from here, sir.
Oh, thank you very much, sir.
You are welcome.
May I ask, where are you off to?
I am off to Nagpur to attend my sister wedding.
To attend my sister's wedding.
That's very good to hear. Congratulations.
What about you?
I am going there for a business conference.
Oh, I see. What sort of business do you do?
Marketing,
Do
sir.
you do? Yes. Okay, continue.
Oh, well then, good luck on our vis- visit.
Thank you very much, sir.
It's very late now. We will be re- re- re-
Reaching.
reaching our destination very early morning. I will take some sleep now. You also take some rest.
Yes, sure. Good night, sir.
Good night.
Yes, very good, both of you. Next, Sakshi and who will be there with Sakshi? Who will accompany her? Dhanashri. Okay, Sakshi and Dhanashri, put on your mic and start.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Can you tell me how many hours will it take to reach Nagpur from here?
That will be 5 hours from here, ma'am.
Oh, thank you. You very much, ma'am.
You are welcome.
May I ask where are you?
I am off to Nagpur to attend my sister's wedding.
Very good to hear. Congratulations.
What about you?
I am going there for business conference.
Oh, I see. What sort of business do you do?
Marketing, ma'am.
Oh, well then good luck for on your visit.
Thank you very much.
It's very late now. We will be reaching our destination early morning. I will take some sleep now. You also take some rest.
Yes, sure. Good night, ma'am.
Good night.
Okay, very good, both of you. Okay, Aniket and Harsh, put on your mic.
Yes,
Yes, teacher.
good evening, sir.
Evening.
Can you tell me how many hours will it take to reach Nagpur from here?
That will be 5 hours from her, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
You are welcome.
May I ask where are you off to?
I am off to Nagpur to attend my sister's wedding.
That very good to her. Congratulations.
What about you?
I am going there for a business conference.
Oh, I see. What sort of business do you do?
Marketing, sir.
Oh, well, then good luck on your wish.
Thank, thank you very much, sir.
It, it is very late now. We will be reaching our destination early. Will take some.
Wait, it's destination. Okay, we will be reaching our destination.
Destination early morning. Will take sleep now. You
Some sleep
alone
now.
take some rest.
Yes, sure. Good night, sir.
Good night.
Okay, good. Next is Tanmay. You have done in previous lecture or not? Yes, na? Okay, so no repetition will be there. Adesh has not done. Adesh will be pairing with. चला पटकन. कोणाकोणाचं झालंय त्याने हँड रेज करा. लास्ट लेक्चर कादंबरी यू हॅव नॉट डन इन द लास्ट लेक्चर. No, na? Okay. Okay. So Kadambari and Adesh. Okay. Put on your mic. You have to change accordingly. हा? आदेश तुला मॅम म्हणायचं आहे. Okay. Start. Put on your mic.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening. Can you tell me how many hours will take to reach Nagpur from here?
That will be 5 hours from here, sir.
How thank you very much, ma'am.
You are welcome.
Ma'am,
May I ask?
may I ask where are you off to?
I am off to Nagpur too to attend my sister's wedding.
May I am
That's
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 very good to hear. Congratulations.
What about you?
I am going there for a business business
conference.
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 Oh, I see. What sort of business do you do?
Marketing, ma'am.
Oh, well then, good luck on your visit.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
It's very late now. We will be reaching our destination early morning. I will take
Early.
some early morning. I will
Early.
take some sleep now. You also take some rest.
Yes, sure. Good night, ma'am.
Good night.
Very good, both of you. Kadambari, as always, outstanding. And today I will appreciate Adesh also. आदेशनी पहिल्यांदा एवढं छान मला वाचून दाखवलंय. Very good, Adesh. Next is Bhavik. Bhavik, who will be pairing with you? Okay, Tejal and Bhavik. Put on your mic.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Can you tell me how many hours with with it take to
Will it take?
will you will
Will it?
will it take
That
you
Wait. Let her finish, Bhavik. Let her finish. Yes, Tejal.
reach
Reach.
Nagpur from here?
Thanks. That will be 5 hours from here, ma'am.
How?
Oh, it is O.
Oh, thanks you very much, sir.
May I?
You are welcome.
You are welcome.
May I ask
Ask.
where are you off to?
I am off to Nagpur the to to
To
attend,
attend.
ma'am, sir, to attend my
Sisters.
sister wedding.
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 That is very good to
No,
hear.
no, 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 no. What about you? No, sorry. Yes, you are right. Read, Tejal.
At a very good you heard. Congratulations.
That's very good to hear. Congratulations.
What about you?
I am going there for business complex conference.
Oh, oh, I see. What's
What sort of
what sort of
nest business?
nest do you do?
Marketing, sir.
Oh, well, that good luck on your visit.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
It very later now. We will
It's
be
very late now.
It's very late now. We will be rest,
Reaching
reaching our
destination.
destination is morning. I will take some sleep now. You also take so rest.
You
Yes,
also
sure.
take some rest.
You also take some rest.
You sure?
Yes,
Good
yes,
night.
sure.
Yes, sure. Good night, sir.
Good night.
व्हेरी गुड बोथ ऑफ यू. सी, जेव्हा तुम्ही अशा प्रकारच्या कन्व्हर्सेशन मध्ये भाग घेता तेव्हा तुम्हाला नेक्स्ट लेवलला आता पुढे जाऊन जेव्हा इंग्लिश मध्ये बोलावं लागेल लोकांसोबत तेव्हा तुमचा कॉन्फिडन्स लेवल वाढते. त्यामुळे अशा प्रकारचं रीडिंग चालू ठेवा. ओके. कर्णिका, यू आर पेअरिंग विथ, सी यू आर रायटिंग द पेअर्स इन द चॅट बॉक्स. आय हॅव टोल्ड यू ऑलरेडी की ज्यांचा अगोदर झालेला आहे, मी आजची सुद्धा 18 मिनिटं वेस्ट झाली आहेत आपली. इट्स नॉट ॲज वेस्टिंग, मी तुम्हाला चान्स देत आहे. बट ज्यांचं झालेलं आहे त्यांनी परत चॅटबॉक्स मध्ये नाव लिहू नका प्लीज. ओके. कर्णिका अँड अंतरा. अंतरा हॅज नॉट डन ना? अंतरा, माईक चालू केल्यावर
Yes.
बोलायचं आहे.
Yes.
स्टार्ट.
Good evening, sir.
Karnika is a girl. Okay. So you should start with good evening, ma'am, madam.
Good evening, madam. Good evening. Can you tell me how many hours will it take to reach Nagpur from here? There will be 5 hours from here, ma'am. Oh, thank you very much, ma'am. You're welcome. May I say, where are you off to? I am off to Nagpur to attend my sister wedding. That is very good to hear. Congratulations. What about you? I am staying here from it. Congratulations.
Yes, Antara. Business conference. Business conference.
Yes, teacher.
Am I
Karnita.
audible?
Yes, teacher.
हाँ. Karnika, put on your mic.
Oh, I see. What sort
Yes.
of business do you do? Marketing, ma'am. Oh, will the good luck on your visit?
Well then. Karnika, it's well then.
Thanks you very much, sir. It is very late now. We will be reaching
Reaching.
our destination early morning. We'll take some sleep now. You also take some rest. Yes, sure. Good night, ma'am. Good night.
Very good. Very nice, both of you. Now Vedant and Himesh. येस.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Can you tell me how many hours will it take to reach Nagpur from here?
That will be 5 hours from here, sir.
Oh, thanks for very much, sir.
You are welcome.
May I ask
May I ask what
where are you off to? येस हिमेश, वाचायचं आहे नीट. हिमेशचा माईक चालू करा.
ask where are you off to?
I am off to Nagpur too to attend my sister's wedding.
That's
Very good work
good to hear.
to hear. Congratulations.
What about you?
I am going there for
Business conference.
Conference.
Oh, I see. What sort of business do you do?
Marketing, sir.
Oh, well then, good luck on your visit.
Thanks.
Thank you. Thanks नाही. Thank you.
Thank you.
Very much, sir. Yes, Vedant.
It's very late now. We will be reaching our destination early morning. I will take some sleep now. You also take some rest.
Yes, sir. Good night.
Okay.
Good
Okay. Yes. Put off your mic, both of you. See, you can see how Vedant were talking very professionally, very fluently, and simply he was talking, right? अशा प्रकारे बोलण्यासाठी तुम्हाला प्रॅक्टिस करावी लागेल. ओके. Yes, there is a standard difference as Vedant is from 10th or 9th. Vedant, you are from which standard? 9th, na?
Yes, ma'am. 9th.
As Vedant is from 9th and Himesh is from, I think he's from 6th or 7th standard. And the medium issue is also there. But see, इथे तुम्हाला जेव्हा तुम्ही इंग्लिश शिकत असता, मीडियम वगैरे स्टँडर्ड काही मॅटर नाही करत. ओके. तुम्हाला फ्लुएंटली बोलता आलं पाहिजे आणि त्यासाठी बोलण्याची प्रॅक्टिस ठेवायची आहे. आता तुम्ही स्वतःहून इंटरेस्ट घेतला आणि स्वतःहून वाचण्याचा प्रयत्न केला. येस, जे शब्द तुम्हाला अडले ते मी तुम्हाला सांगितले. खूप जणांनी, भरपूर जणांनी, ऑलमोस्ट सगळ्यांनीच खूप छान वाचलं. खूप छान वाचण्याचा प्रयत्न सुद्धा केला. ओके. वेल डन. व्हेरी वेल. एव्हरी वन ऑफ यू, इच अँड एव्हरी वन हॅज ट्राईड व्हेरी वेल. आता काही क्वेश्चन आन्सर्स. एखादं क्वेश्चन तुम्हाला विचारल्यावर तुम्ही त्याला कशा प्रकारे आन्सर देता. इट शुड बी इन अ ग्रामॅटिक वे. ओके. ग्रामॅटिकली त्या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर तुम्ही कसं द्याल. व्याकरणात वाक्याची रचना खूप इम्पॉर्टंट असते. ग्रामरमध्ये सेंटेन्सचं जे फॉर्मेशन आहे दॅट इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. मग आता फर्स्ट आय विल टेल यू. ओके. बघा, टीव्हीशी रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आहे. काय विचारलाय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. डिड यू वॉच टीव्ही येस्टरडे? तुम्ही काल टीव्ही पाहिला का? जर तुम्ही पाहिला आहे यू शुड से येस. येस आय डिड. ओके, येस आय डिड. नाही पाहिला, नो आय डिडंट वॉच टीव्ही येस्टरडे. ओके, दिस इज हाऊ यू हॅव टू आन्सर. म्हणजे ग्रामॅटिकली तुम्हाला याचं उत्तर द्यायचं आहे. ओके, विदाउट एनी मिस्टेक. नेक्स्ट इज व्हॉट डिड यू वॉच? जर तुम्ही टीव्ही पाहिला आहे, व्हॉट डिड यू वॉच? ओके, व्हॉट डिड यू वॉच? तुम्ही काय पाहिलं टीव्हीला? whatever you want. I watch educational program, I watch a cricket match, I watch a yes cartoon program. Okay, what was it about? It was about a superpower character, or if you have seen a movie, so it was about it was a patriotic movie, it was a biopic movie. Okay, did you watch it alone? तुम्ही ते एकटाच पाहिला का? Yes, I did watch it alone, or no, I didn't watch it alone. I watched it along with my mother, father, brother, sister. Okay, whatever. Understood? ह्या 4 प्रश्नांची उत्तरं लिहू शकाल तुमच्या चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये? Should I ask you one by one? Yes? Okay. Now stop writing in the chat first. पहिल्यांदा चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये लिहिणं थांबवा. Yes? चला. Your first question. On your way. Okay? तुमच्या मताप्रमाणे, according to your opinion, yes or no, अशा प्रकारे yes or no म्हणजे निगेटिव्ह किंवा पॉझिटिव्ह आन्सर तुम्हाला द्यायचा आहे. फॉर्मॅट मी तुम्हाला आधीच सांगितलेला आहे. ओके, चला. डिड यू वॉच टीव्ही येस्टरडे? लिहा, आन्सर लिहा. येस आय डिड. ओके, नो हाऊ आय टोल्ड यू, फक्त येस नाही लिहायचा. येस आय डिड, नो आय डिडंट. सगळ्यांनी परत लिहा आन्सर. ओनली दीपिका हॅज रिटन इट राईट. Yes, if you have seen, yes I did. जर नाही पाहिला तर no I didn't. Okay, what did you watch? Did you watch? No वाल्यांना पण आन्सर लिहावा लागणार आहे. ओके, what did you watch? I watched a movie. I watched movie. Okay, जे उत्तर देताय पुढच्या प्रश्नासाठी तयार राहा. ओके, पुढच्या प्रश्नासाठी तयार राहा. मूवी कुठला होता नाही, मूवी कशाबद्दल होता ते तुम्हाला सांगता आलं पाहिजे. ओके, वॉच नाही, वॉच्ड. इट इज अबाउट पास्ट टेन्स. WATCHED. वॉच्ड. नेक्स्ट, व्हॉट वॉज इट अबाउट? कशाबद्दल होता ते जे तुम्ही पाहिलं? It was about animals. Yes. Yes, Deepika, good. It was. You should write it was. It was about time. It was about animals. It was about human life. Good. It was about superheroes. It was. You should use a. It was about fighting. It was practice. It was about education. Animals. Okay. Okay. Next, did you watch it alone? Yes, I did. Or no, I didn't. Yes, this is how you have to answer. Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Okay. Okay, good. ओके, म्हणजे आता एक आयडिया आली की डीड वाल्या क्वेश्चनला कशा प्रकारे आन्सर लिहायचा आहे. येस येस, एव्हरीवन गॉट द आयडिया ना. ओके सो ओके, सांगा मला पहिल्यांदा 8 वाजता कोणाकोणाचा क्लास आहे. 10th आणि 5th 6th चा पण आहे ना. 5th 6th आणि 10th ना. ओके ओके, 7:45 मी तुम्हाला सोडेन. चला, मेक इट फास्ट नाव. सी नाव फूड क्वेश्चन बघा. डिड यू ड्रिंक 3 cups ऑफ कॉफी yesterday? काल तुम्ही 3 कप कॉफी पिली का? डिड यू ड्रिंक 3 cups ऑफ कॉफी yesterday? No, I didn't is the correct answer. Tanmay has written it right. Tanmay, Kadambari, Dhanashri, Deepika, Aditi, Nidhi, yes. Ayush, Chinmay, yes. Antara, Dheeraj, Soham. Okay. No, I didn't should be the answer. Okay. No, I didn't. If you had, you can write it yes. Next. What did you eat 2 hours ago? What did you eat 2 hours ago? Eaten नसतं दीपिका, it's ate. A-T-E, ate. Okay, yes, good. 2 तास अगोदर तुम्ही काय खाल्लं? I ate chocolate, I ate bhel, I ate pizza, fruits, chicken, okay. I ate fish, pohe, orange, okay. Okay, next is, did your mom cook yesterday? काल तुमच्या आईने जेवण बनवलं होतं का? Yes, she did. Yes, she did. Or no, she didn't. Yes. Yes, she did. Okay, good. Okay. Next is, did you eat any fish last week? मागच्या आठवड्यात तुम्ही मासे खाल्ले होते का? No, I didn't. Yes, I did. Yes, this should be the answer. Vegetarian will are going to write no, I didn't. Okay, understood? Okay, next is related to housework. Huh? See, first question. Did you clean your room last Friday? Last Friday ला तुम्ही तुमची रूम क्लीन केली होती का? Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Okay, this should be the answer. Okay, म्हणजे जर did हा या शब्दाने तुमच्या प्रश्नाची सुरुवात झाली असेल तर तुम्ही yes I did, no I didn't या प्रकारे आन्सर द्याल. what ने सुरुवात झाली असेल तर प्रश्न काय विचारलाय त्याच्यावर तुमचा आन्सर डिपेंड करतं. ओके. डिड यू वॉटर एनी प्लांट्स येस्टरडे? काल तुम्ही काही झाडांना पाणी दिलं का? येस आय डिड. नो आय डिडंट. ओके. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज, डिड यू आयर्न येस्टरडे? काल इस्त्री केली का? डिड यू आयर्न येस्टरडे? नो आय डिडंट. ओके. Okay, so this was all about the dialogue writing, conversation, and some question answers. Have you clearly understood these 3 points? We have done 2 lectures for this. Okay, we have wasted our 2 lectures for this. but have you clearly understood? Very good. Bhavik has written it very nicely. Yes, I did. Good. Okay. Okay. So next we'll be doing some question and answers, like I'll be giving you a sheet. Okay. One sheet is there where you have to tell me the type of noun. Yes. The type of noun. Options are given. Two options are given. You have to tell me. Okay. First is the book was lying on the table. Here I'll be telling you which is the noun. Okay. Noun is book. Book is a noun. Okay. Can you see it now? Okay. Book. Book is a common noun. Okay. Mother's love is pure. Mother's love is pure. Love. Love. Abstract. Yes. Love is an abstract noun. Yes, done. We cannot live without water. Water. Water is a material noun. Okay. Next. The jury has given its verdict. Jury. Jury. No? It's not proper. It's collective noun. Jury is a group of judges. I have told you ना. जजेस लॉयर्स यांच्या ग्रुपला ज्युरी म्हणायचं. जजेस मोस्टली द जजेसच्या ग्रुपला ज्युरी म्हटलं जातं. ओके. येस, इट्स अ कलेक्टिव्ह नाउन. Alcohol is injurious to health. Injurious. Alcohol is injurious to health. Injurious is abstract noun. Yes. Next. He is having pineapple juice. Pineapple. He is having pineapple juice. Pineapple. Proper noun. Yes. George Washington is an example of. George Washington is an example of proper noun. Yes. He is going to school. School. School is a common noun. Okay. He is very happy person. Happy. Happy is a abstract noun. Yes. Milkman. Milkman has brought milk. Milkman will be. Milkman will be proper. And milk will be the material. Okay. Next. Okay. Now the types of sentences. types of sentences. The plant is green. Option लिहा फक्त A की B. No need to write whole thing. Yes, it's a assertive. A assertive. Okay. Because we have 3 minutes left now. That's why I'm telling you. Okay, be fast. Do I have to water the plant? It's B. Interrogative. Yes, good. Okay, next. Water the plant. Yes, it's a exclamatory. Please pass the lemonade. Please pass the lemonade. It's a imperative. Yes. This is the most beautiful lawn I have ever seen. Yes, it's a assertive. Please bring me some water. Please bring me some water. It's B. It's B, imperative. Request is there, na? Yes. You should write it imperative. I am having food now. I am having food now. It's B, assertive. Okay, पहिल्यांदा ह्याचंच complete करा. Someone are writing A, someone are writing B. I'm getting confused between you. It's B. See, sixth one is B and seventh one is also B. Okay? Oh, she's so pretty. Yeah, it's B, exclamatory sentence. What are you doing here? This is also be the interrogative sentence. Done? It is raining heavily. It's yes, assertive. Okay. Okay, so it's already 7:45. Got it, everyone? Whatever we have learned today, have you understood it clearly? Yeah? Okay, okay. So as you have your next classes also, you can leave the class. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye-bye.